Defining radians, Chapter H7-5, Day 1. What is a radian? A radian is a unit of measurement for measuring angles in a circle that consists of arc lengths equal to the radius length of a circle. First, let's draw our circle. Now let's take the radius, and we're going to use the distance of that radius to measure out an arc length on our circle. So you'll see we've created this arc, and this arc is the same length as the radius of the circle. Now let's draw another radius length that matches the other end of our arc, and what you'll find here is we've created a central angle in our circle that is considered 1 radian. And we know it's 1 radian because the arc formed on the circle is exactly 1 radius in length. How many radians are there in a circle? Since a radian has an arc length of 1 radius, the number of radians in a circle is the same as the number of radius lengths that fit around the circle. Let's take our original arc length and let's extend it, and we're going to draw on another terminal side. This angle we just created is 2 radians. The reason this is 2 radians is because the length of the arc along the circle is equal to 2 radius lengths. Let's add another arc of radius length to the circle to make an angle that is 3 radians. So we've extended our arc, and when we draw on our terminal side, this angle is now 3 radians. Notice that 3 radians is almost half of the circle. How many more radius lengths do you think we can fit around the circle? Let's extend our arc another radius length, and that is now 4 radians. We can extend it by adding another arc that's the length of the radius. That's now 5 radians. We can extend one more, and you'll see we've now created an angle that is 6 radians. Now that we have extended our radius 6 lengths around the outside of our circle, that means that our central angle is now 6 radians to this point. But now, what about this leftover part? The leftover part is approximately 0.28 times the length of the radius. So if we take our 6 radius lengths plus that 0.28, it gives us 6.28 radius lengths. Since there are about 6.28 radius lengths around a full circle, then there are 6.28 radians in a full circle. And if a full circle is 6.28 radians, how many radians are in half of a circle? We can do that simple math here, right? If we divide it by 2, that's 3.14 radians. And of course, there's another way to write this. Instead of writing 3.14 radians, we can be more exact by saying that's pi radians. This also means that the number of radians in a full circle is written as 2 pi radians.